Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about Math 12 Trigonometry Part 5C. Okay, this video is asked by my student Justin and Corina. Okay, so they ask about how do we do questions if you given one trigonometry values and you ask to find other fives. So there are total 6 trigonometry functions. You should be able to get in other 5s if you given any one of them. Okay, this is how to get it. So what the information we need here? We need the Pythagoras theorems. So this is Math 12 questions. In Math 12 tutorials, I just assume you all know these things already. A, B, and C. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Alright, and then the next one is the SOHCAHTOA. So tangent sine function equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine functions equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent function equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, and then the next one is all students take calculus. So it's all about grade 11 stuff. Okay, but how do we use all of them to make a question like that? To do the question here. Okay, cosine function equal to -1/3. Okay, we don't care the negative sign here. We know this is adjacent, and then this is hypotenuse, right? So we just draw a quick triangle here. Doesn't have to be big. So this, for this angle, if we talk about this angle here, that will be 1 and that will be 3. Alright? So the hypotenuse is 3, that will be 1. So this is Pythagoras theorems will be 9 minus 1 square root will be 2 square root of 2, which is square root 8 will be 2 square root 2. Okay, and then the value of sine theta will be equal to opposite over hypotenuse, 2 square root 2 over 3. Alright? And then tangent theta will be equal to 2 square root 2 over 1, just 2 square root of 2. And then the secant theta just equal to the reciprocal of cosine, which is 3 over 1, right? And then cosecant of theta equal to the reciprocal of sine, which is 3 over 2 square root of 2. Okay, this is not done yet. Why? We need to find out which quadrant. We don't have sine yet. It's all, we don't have positive and negative sign. We need to find this out. Okay, we have cosine theta equal to -1/3. Cosine theta is negative number. And then they gave you sine theta is positive number. So cosine is negative, sine is positive. It must be the second quadrant. Second quadrant, the sine is positive, so check. That's good. Tangent function is negative because on the second quadrant, tangent function is negative. Okay, secant theta equal to the opposite of cosine. Of course, it is negative. And then the cosecant is opposite of sine. Of course, it's a positive. So that's it. Make sense? Okay, I'm not going to do all of them. I just do a part of them. The second one, I will do this one. Okay, sine function equal to 1/2. Again, draw these things here. Theta is here. So this is 1, this is 2. If this is 2, this is 1, that will be square root of 3, right? Okay, and then once we have 2, 1, and square root 3, we can find in our all others. For example, cosine theta equal to the square root 3 over 2. Tangent theta equal to 1 over square root 3, which is square root 3 over 3. Cotangent theta equal to square root 3 over 1, which is square root 3 over 1. And then secant theta just equal to the opposite of cosine, which is 2 over square root 3. And then cosecant theta just equal to 1 over sine, which is 2 over 1. Okay, again, sine. Sine function is positive. Secant function is positive. Secant is the reciprocal function of cosine. Sine or cosine are positive, that must be the first quadrant. So be positive, 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 all positive. Done. Okay, let me do one more. Okay, so you can do the rest of it by yourself. Okay, secant theta equal to negative 5 over 2. So sine function, cosine function equal to what? Cosine functions, simple, just equal to negative 2 over 5, right? So because secant and cosine are reciprocal each other, I told you the hexagon is very handy. Okay, you can always draw a hexagon for your reference. All right, so we have a cosine here. Then we have draw a triangle here. That will be 5 and then 2. That's our angle. Cosine is 2 over 5, right? 2 over 5. So that will be 25 minus 4, square root 21. So it will be square root 21. So the sine functions will be square root 21 over 5. Okay, the tangent functions equal to square root 21 over 2. And then cotangent functions equal to 2 over square root 21. Don't forget to rationalize. Okay, if you don't know how to rationalize, please go back check my grade 10s videos. I have a big sections talking about how to rationalize the radical functions. All right, the last one is cosecant. Cosecant functions C equal to 1 over sine function, which is 5 over square root 21. Again, let's talk about the signs. Secant is negative. That means the cosine is negative. Tangent is less than 0. Tangent is negative 0. Negative. Tangent negative. Cosine is negative. They must be second quadrant because the tangent is negative only at 2 and 4. Cosine is negative, which cannot be 4. They must be 2. The second quadrant. Second quadrant, cosine is negative, sine is positive, tangent is negative, cotangent is negative, and then cosecant is the reverse of sine, which is positive. And that's it. Okay, you can do this question by yourself. It is very simple, right? So I hope you enjoyed the videos. Okay, if you have any questions, leave comment below. I will answer your question in my next video. Thank you for watching.